Alright, welcome back, you guys. It's Calumet Fishing here, and today we're out here at San Luis Reservoir. We're gonna be doing some striper fishing. So, man, I was so much in a rush that I forgot my extra batteries, and I forgot my microphone for my GoPro stand right here. So, you guys gonna have to bear with me. You guys probably won't hear me as good, but anyways, let's go do some fishing, and let's see how it goes. It's super packed today, Friday, so everywhere has a bunch of cars everywhere, so hopefully the fish are munching. It's pretty windy today. Forecast says it's like 18 miles per hour, so yeah, you guys, let's go get to the spot, and let's go fishing. Anyways, I'll catch you guys out there, and hopefully it turns out to be a good day. Let's go fishing, you guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, the water's definitely going down lower since the last time that we've been here, which is probably like a couple weeks ago. The water's actually dropping a lot quicker than I thought it was. I actually thought that the water was gonna stay up this year, but I guess not. It's super low now. It's really windy. Now we're just gonna have to look for a good spot. Last time we were here, the water was still all the way up there. Water dropped probably like 60-70 feet, I'd say, maybe even more. And even the island is popping up. There's people fishing over there. I'm pretty sure there's people fishing to the left side over there. A lot of cars everywhere. Super windy. Alright, you guys, so we're just gonna be fishing this spot right here. We're gonna get our rods ready and get it in. So yeah, super windy. This is where we're at. Anyways, I'm really hoping that it turns out to be a good day, but we will see. The bait of choice today is gonna be grass shrimp, so make sure if you guys do transport them, don't transport them alive, because you will get a ticket for it. All right, but yeah, let's get to fishing. This area right here. Alright, guys, so both my rods are in. I brought the Akuma Rockaway. I did not bring my Daiwa M-Cast today, so instead I brought one of my bait casters out of retirement. I usually use it for flossing salmon, but it's been sitting for like 5+ years, so I decided to bring it out. It's the 9-foot Shimano cars with a Shimano throttle, the G7, I believe. It's a little rod right here. Tang's rods are over there, so let's see if any of these fish wants to play. By the way, that's a medium light rod, so if fish does bite it, it should have really good action on it. So let's hope for the best, and hopefully we catch some fish. Hopefully this moon phase doesn't play too big of a part on it. It's almost at full moon. The moon's already out, so fingers crossed. Anyways, let's keep fishing. gotta put rocks on it or the rod's gonna fly in. Probably a little one. Hey, that was small. It's just coming on top of the water. This fish been hella weird. The whole time just like, what does it look like it's biting, but it's barely even moving. Seems like the fish has been on for a while already. Check it out. It ain't no small one. Just keep it right here, you guys. Look, right on the side of the mouth too. Getting darker, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but the moon's almost full. It's kind of bad for striper fishing. The wind did kind of die down a little bit. Yeah, so far, nothing else yet. Pretty soon, if it gets dark, then the fish is not gonna bite no more because of that full moon. I want to see that little rod right there bite, but they're not biting. Alright guys, so far we caught one fish. Super windy out here. That last one bit super weird. Maybe the fish probably been biting for a while already, and we didn't know. So by the time I caught it, the fish didn't even have any strength left, so it was basically just coming on top of the water. It's really windy out here. Maybe I should have just brought 2 big rods instead of 1 big one and 1 small one. I was like, you know what? Maybe let's try casting more a little bit closer, but we brought 2 small rods, but nothing's biting on it, so we'll see how that goes. Super windy. We got probably like an hour left before it's dark, so let's keep fishing, you guys. Just a quick update for you guys. Alright, you guys, so it's getting cold, so we're just gonna end the video here. Anyways, we fished for 2 hours, caught 1 fish. Super windy today, but I guess a lot of fish just weren't around the area, so it'd be like that sometimes. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and hey, you guys don't mind, hit that like button and give me a subscribe. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully the next one turns out better than this one. Anyways, enjoy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, everyone.